I am sleepy.
Hey, Speedy! It's Christmas today. Merry Christmas! You know, it's snowing since morning, and all around, it looks like a fairyland. Let's celebrate Christmas. Let's party.
No, I'm just sleepy. Let's talk tomorrow.
Oh, Speedy, why are you always lazy? You should be more active. Why don't you try and follow and do anything which you love to do? You know, Benny has been learning Python programming from our wise Toby.
Python programming. Are you also thinking of learning it?
Yes, Speedy, and I have already watched their previous 2 lessons about Python data types and variables.
Watching video is something I can do without leaving my branch, so please tell me, Chicky, where can I find these lessons?
Well, links of these previous 2 lessons are in the description. Friends, please click on them to watch if you also haven't watched.
Since we talked about doing something interesting, well, I have been practicing lately what I love to do, and I have become really good at one act, and I can do it, even with my eyes closed.
It's impressive. May I ask which act?
Well, it is, of course, sleeping. By the way, did you really think that I forgot about Christmas party?
Well, last year, to avoid the party, you tried convincing us that Santa was getting old and needed his old man naps for a full year at least, so he wouldn't be coming, remember? But this year, we want the party.
Oh, yeah, I remember. But this year is different. For the Christmas party, I've planned everything.
Yo-ho! So, tell me everything about it, the guest list, the menu, the venue, and the theme.
Well, the guest list is whoever shows up, the menu, whatever you bring, and the venue, my branch, and finally the theme. Laziness, obviously.
Oh, Speedy, why are you so lazy? You will not throw a party then. Let me call our wise turtle Toby. He will help organize the party, while also teaching Python.
Wow, learning while partying. It already sounds fun.
Hey, Chicky, Merry Christmas. You remembered me? How are you?
Merry Christmas to you too, Toby. Oh, I am not so happy. Actually, I was trying to discuss organizing our Christmas party with Speedy here. And,
Well, you do not need to tell me anything more about it, Chicky. I understand why you feel this way. Speedy, you are really very lazy and nobody knows how to make you have some fun with all of us.
yes, we should give him some award for his super laziness.
Ha, good idea, Chicky, but then I feel so lazy that I would send someone else to collect this award. But you know, I am kind of an amazing multitasker.
How?
Well, I can listen, ignore, forget, and sleep at the same time.
But Toby, we also want to learn Python from you, because you make it fun.
That's really great. Then let's learn while organizing the party.
Hey, friends. Merry Christmas. What are you all laughing at? Did I miss something funny?
Hi, Benny. Happy to see you again. Well, we are just trying to organize a Christmas party today. Would you also like to help us, Benny?
Oh, I would love that, Toby. I already feel excited about the party. Can't wait to have lots of fun. So, we need to decide the guest list, the menu, the venue, and also the theme. Well, I think the theme is pretty obvious, isn't it?
Yes,
Christmas
theme.
theme.
And I think venue could be our green meadow, which is in the center of our forest. Some of our friends are already out there removing the snow from the ground for the party tonight.
Then, I would also go there right now and start with the decorations. I will also call all of my friends there to help me with the decorations. Wow, finally the party is on, guys!
Okay, see you, Chicky, in the party tonight. Then, that leaves the 3 of us, the 2 of us, to decide the guests and the menu. So, let's start with our guest list and menu for the party.
Hey guys, do remember to send the party food to my venue, my this branch.
No, Speedy. This time we will take your venue, your branch, to our party venue so that we can all celebrate Christmas together.
Benny, let's not disturb Speedy's sleep anymore. Let's go to some other place, maybe my favorite place, our field, to decide food for the party, and then we can also decide the list of our guests. How does that sound to you?
That sounds awesome, Toby. Thanks. Let's go.
Benny, so did you just say we need to decide list of guests?
Yes, Toby. And also, we need to decide list of food items in our party menu.
Do you know, Benny, that Python also has lists?
Python has lists? That's interesting. Does Python also have guests?
Well, Python has lists, but Python can also have lists of guests.
What do you mean, Toby?
Benny, how about we learn about Python lists in our next video? I will also call Chicky and Speedy as they also want to learn.
That would be awesome, Toby. So friends, in our next lesson, we will learn about Python lists and use them to make our guest list and menu list for Christmas party.
Bye friends, and see you again in next lesson.